Hello guys, are you looking for a solution on how to export PST files from Office 365? If yes, then do not need to worry about it. We have a perfect solution which meets your requirement. In this video, we are showcasing an advanced software recovery tools Office 365 backup wizard. So now, let's get a look on the features of Office 365 backup wizard. It saves all Office 365 emails to PST with attachments. It supports batch migration so that you can back up multiple Office 365 accounts at once. It supports 30+ savings options so that you can save Office 365 emails to various email or file formats. To perform Office 365 batch conversion, it retains folder hierarchy intact during conversion. Support multiple languages. Now, let's get a look on the prerequisites of Office 365 Backup Wizard. To perform Office 365 batch conversion, you should have Office 365 Administrator credentials. Office 365 admin account should have application impersonation and mailbox delegation rights. All users' accounts should have license to Office 365 admin account. Make sure multi-factor authentication should be disabled in Office 365 account, otherwise, you may get login issue in the software UI. In case of more than 100 Office 365 user, you need to create CSV files containing all users' name and their email address and upload in the software. Now, let's start the working of the software program. The software interface is amazingly simple and easy. Enter the Office 365 admin account credentials. Click on I am admin option. Click on Login button. Now, it is showing the Office 365 users. Select the All Users or Required Users. The software UI is limited to show 100 rows. If you have 100+ users, so, click on Use CSV file to back up accounts. Check Sample CSV file. Click on Browse button to upload CSV file. Then, click on Next. Let's continue with the Select Email Accounts option. Select the All Users or Required Users. Then, click on Next. It will preview all email accounts with email folders. Select them. Click on Select Saving option. It will show you various email saving or file formats. Select PST as saving option. Click on Separate PST per user option so it will create separate PST for each Office 365 account. The software supports multiple languages, so, if you want to change the language of email folders only, then click on this option. English is the default language. By default, the software saves the output files on the desktop, so, if you want to change the destination path, then click on Change button. Now, click on Backup button to process the conversion. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message "Conversion completed successfully." Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. The saving log report now automatically opened. Successfully exported Office 365 mailboxes to PST file.